Welcome to qnawire.
Problem 9.22 tells us to start with one hexyne and use the reagents given to predict the products. In part A, we are reacting one hexyne with one equivalent of HBr, and the electrophilic or nucleophilic triple bond is going to attack the electrophilic hydrogen, forming a new bond, and then we're left with the negative bromide. This proceeds via a carbocation intermediate. So we're going to have a carbocation in the Markovnikov position, and this is going to be electrophilic, and the nucleophilic bromide will attach there. In part B, we are reacting one hexyne with one equivalent of Cl2. This is going to proceed in a similar fashion to the reaction above, but we're going to get a trans molecule. And this is our product for part B. In part C, we should already know that hydrogen and a Lindlar catalyst will convert a triple bond and reduce it to a double bond. It will give the cis form of a double bond, but since we have a terminal triple bond here, we do not have cis or trans orientation. So here we have one hexene. Now let's look at part C. We have a strong base, which will remove the terminal hydrogen from the triple bond, and this is in liquid pneumonia. So we will have a negative charge on our terminal carbon. And then we'll react it with CH3Br, which will add another carbon to the end of the triple bond. So this is 2-heptyne, and we will also have a salt. In part D, we have one hexyne reacted with H2O, H2SO4, and HgSO4. So this reaction will give a Markovnikov ketone. It does proceed with a carbocation intermediate. And now let's look at part E. In part E, we have one hexyne with 2 equivalents of HCl. So we will have 2 chlorines on the final molecule. This reaction also proceeds with a carbocation intermediate, similar to the first reaction we did, except now, since we have 2 equivalents, we will have 2 chlorines on the second carbon. So this is 2,2-dichlorohexane. And this has been a pretty good summary for most of the reactions in problem 9.22. This is a good one to go over and make sure you have it down before an exam.